This is a 2011 BMW X5. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include BMW Assist, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, xDrive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, 4-zone climate control, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.